Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change and reset your password on the Houseparty app. So this will work with any mobile device, whether you're on Android, iPhone, whatever the mobile device, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to click on the top left hand corner where the little smiley face is. Click on there and then you're going to want to click on that pink card on that friends menu. Then go down to settings, then you're going to want to log out. But before you do that, make sure you do have access to whatever email you have of this account. How you're going to find that is you're going to scroll up and then click edit profile. And then you'll see your email. This is the email for your account. Make sure you have that one and you have access to it. So make sure you log into it before you do this. Otherwise, if you do this log out now and then potentially you can't log in, then you're just going to be stuck out the account and that's not a good idea. Once you've done that, log out and then click I already have an account on that part there. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click forgot password. So you see that there. Once you get the forgot password thing, then it's going to ask you what your email is. So you're going to want to type in your email. I'm going to cover some of these things up, by the way, but just know I'm typing in my email, etc. and these things when I tell you. But type in that, make sure it's the correct one. And then click reset password. And then once you have clicked reset password, what's going to do is going to say check your email. If it's right, we'll send the instructions there right away. So go over to your email, whether that's your Hotmail, your Gmail, whatever it is. You can do it like on apps on your phone, or it's going to be the same type of thing for PC. So you'll see me there. You can click done in the top left hand corner and then go potentially to your app or your email or on your PC or whatever. I'm going to go on the Gmail app for me personally. And you're going to see that load up there, and then you're going to see it says Team Houseparty password reset. That email there, you're going to want to click on that, and then once you've clicked on that, then you're going to see a link. You're going to have to click on that link. It's going to be like the big long one there. Click on that, and then it's going to bring up where you're going to want to reset it. You're obviously going to want to, if you're doing it on a phone, click whatever web browser. I'm going to click Safari there. For me, for instance, it doesn't matter which one you click, and then it's going to say choose a new password. Then you're going to want to type in your new password here. So make sure it does have all the things that are like potentially like capital letters. Make sure it doesn't involve your first name. Do like symbols, etc. Make sure it's a strong password. It will tell you if it's not like living up to the standards or whatever, because on some apps they do have the type of standards you need. But click reset password there, and I'll say whether you want to save it or not. That's up to you. Personally, me, I'm gonna click not now. Then I'll say go back to the app. You can click on that and then say open on the app, and then it's going to bring you there. This is a login page. Then you're going to want to type in your email, make sure it's the correct one. And then you're going to want to type in your new password. So if it's done correctly, it should let you in. So type in the email there and the password, then log in. And then boom, there you're going to log in. You can save the password. You can save password or not now. That's up to you. But once that's done, that's the end of the process. Fully reset your password. Doesn't take too long. So leave a like on the video if they did help you out. Please make sure you subscribe if it did help you out too, and to see more videos similar to this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.